In this video, we are going to see the concept of quick functions that is very effective if you want to make quick calculations in Google Sheets. So let's say that we are checking through this data and we have this electrical appliances all together, electrical equipments. And let's say that we just want to add up these sales results. We just want to see how much is the total of these sales. So we just select all of these cells and you will immediately notice that at the bottom right, you see the sum of it. So no matter how much range you select, you immediately get the sum of it at the bottom right. So instead of using the formula every single time, there might be scenarios where you just want to see the couple of cells total just to make sure that the totals are looking correct. Let's say that you want to check the sales in the last hour, or for the specific product you have a doubt, so you want to just highlight this and check the calculation here, and it immediately shows you the sum. So basically the functions are all kind of calculations, whether it's finding the minimum, finding average, sum, multiplication, whatever calculation we have in Excel, it is called functions. But what quick function refers to is, let's say that you want to see the total text from here to this point, it will immediately show you the calculation or the sum total. Not only sum, if we just open this menu, you should be able to see all of the calculations. Let's say for the highlighted range, we want to see what is the average in this highlighted range, the average text. So just to get an immediate idea of what the average text consumer is paying. So it's 13.98, which is the average of the selected range. If I select a different range here, let's say here, it shows 17 is the average now. Similarly, within this range, 6.4 is the minimum amount and 33.6 is the maximum. You can manually check it. 6.4 is the minimum one and 33.6 is the maximum. The total, whatever we have selected in the range, is the count of 10 and the count numbers is 10. So pretty awesome, right? It can help you a lot in making some kind of quick calculations where you just want to quickly check some of the results. You just select the range and it will immediately give you the results, whatever you want here. Now, what happens if we select any kind of words? So obviously this is not a number, so it will not perform any kind of calculation. But when you select multiple items, it will show the count, that how many names are mentioned here. It's a quick count of 15. So that's an overview of the quick functions in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.